Welcome. We're here to discuss the design and planning phase of the Master Plan X-ray. This phase is going to start with the site visit, where we're going to walk the property and the home's location, discuss what utilities are available if they have taps, the topography of the land, the driveway location, and the vision you have when you want to build a new home for your family. In the days following, we'll meet here at our office, and we're going to start with the discussion of what spaces you want in the home, what's expected from you and the concerns you may have, your budget, where you see your family's future. All this is important to designing your home. And we might have a plan that maybe will work for you, but in most cases, we do start from scratch. Once that's complete, we'll then begin the estimating process, and we'll look at the specifications we want to put in your home because the devils are always in the details. Once the home is priced, we'll look at signing a contract, and each contract is specific to each lot and location. After that's complete, we'll look at the next step, which is permitting. So if you're not subscribed, continue watching and check us out at masterplanhomes.com. Thank you.